Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can withdraw money from Justmarkets. Now it's really easy and simple, guys. So all you want to do, first things first, open up their app, okay? Log into your account, or you can visit their website. And then what you're going to do, guys, is you want to navigate to funding and then click on withdrawal. So on the left menu, you want to select funds and then just choose withdrawal. Then you have to select your trading account. You need to choose the trading account from which you actually wish to withdraw funds. Then of course, guys, you want to choose the withdrawal method. So tap the withdrawal method field and select one of the preferable methods listed, something like bank accounts, credit or debit card, and others such like that. What you want to do is you want to make sure to fill in all the necessary details accurately. For example, if there's a credit or debit card, you want to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, and if applicable, guys, zip code, depending on your country. Then what you want to do is you want to confirm the withdrawal amount, okay? And what's going to happen also is the withdrawal amount that is actually available for withdrawal will actually be displayed under the amount area. And if you want, you can also withdraw the maximum amount. And then, guys, what you want to do is you want to initiate withdrawal. Once all the details are filled in, you want to click the withdrawal button, and then their finance department will process your withdrawal request, and it will take to process, guys. It should be instant to process within a minute. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about that. If there's any problem, you can just reach out to their customer support team and they should assist you. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.